There are tequilas born from agave and others born from living soil. From land cared for with patience, from cycles that honor the rhythm of nature, from hands that understand the character of a tequila begins long before it ever reaches a bottle. That's how Torrente was born, the world's first certified regenerative tequila. Born in Jalisco, where the land, time, and tradition still set the rhythm. Here, every agave plant slowly matures beneath the sun, drawing strength from living, fertile soil. Each harvest honors its natural process, and every stage is carried out with deep respect for its origin. Slow cooking, natural fermentation, meticulous distillation. A process designed to preserve the purest essence of agave and the authenticity of its land. Because Torrente isn't just about creating great tequila. It comes from the belief that the way we cultivate, produce, and share can also regenerate something greater than ourselves.